Hey guys, this is the aftermath of my dad's street. Look at this. This is awful. Here's my house. Here's my dad's house over here. We're like one of the people that got least damaged. But that tree used to be a lot more thick. That's my dad's house right there. And I'll show you guys the rest of the neighborhood. And it looks like a huge pine tree fell on on this lady right here. She had kids that would babysit me. It looks like the tree fell down right on their house. Oh, that is awful. I don't even think they're home. And then I'll show you this. This lady isn't home either. She's at her cabin somewhere. Apparently she didn't even know this happened. Look at this. This is nothing like this has ever happened here in my lifetime. Whew. Look how cloudy it is over there. And my dad talking to the neighbor. Oh, it's cold too. It hasn't been this cold in a while. Anyway.